two ways to switch between the front and the back camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the switch button right next to the shutter button. This will allow you to switch between the front and the back camera. Now, another way is to swipe up or down like this to switch between the camera. When you swipe up and down, if the camera does not switch, you may need to go into settings and then scroll down and tap on swipe up or down to switch cameras. So make sure this is turned on, and once you turn it on, you should be able to swipe up or down to switch between the front and the back camera. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.